This stretch mark serum is very effective. It's a miracle serum felt by my grandmom and very effective in removal of stretch marks, scars, and also firming lagging skin. The effectiveness of this serum is due to the consistency of the user. If you are not consistent, you may not achieve the appropriate results for using this serum. The main oil and base for this serum is the python oil, gotten from python snake. Naturally, this oil removes scars and heals a stretched skin within a period of consistent use. Its medicinal properties are so numerous. Although this oil is very rare, but it can be gotten from herbal or traditional shops around you. You do not have to worry about the smell. It doesn't really smell awful. So, our python oil is the base for this serum, and into our bowl we'll be adding 2 tablespoons of the python oil. Also, we'll be adding 1 tablespoon of neem oil. Neem oil has the ability of removing scars and spots and giving a smooth and spotless skin within a period of consistent use as well. I hope you've not forgotten to subscribe to this channel and give us a thumb up on this video and also share to your friends. Into this mixture, we'll be adding half tablespoon of coconut oil. Coconut oil has skin healing properties, and also I want this serum to smell nice because we won't be using any fragrance. I actually made this coconut oil myself, so it's very fresh, and the fragrance is top notch. This combination of these 3 oils is bomb already, In order to be easily absorbed and compatible with all skin types, we'll be adding 1/4 tablespoon of vegetable glycerin, and also we'll be adding 1/4 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Of course, aloe vera gel is absolutely great for skin remedies. Mix this oil very well. For easy dissolution, pour in a container, cover the container and shake very well to attain this uniform serum. This serum can be stored without refrigerating for a long time, and it can be used on all skin types. So how do we use this serum? Apply this serum to the affected area, about 5 to 10 drops. Massage into the skin. Do not just rub on the surface. Massage it deep into the skin. Do this twice daily, morning and evening, and within a period of 2 to 3 weeks, you already find these stretch marks fading. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Turn your notification bell so you always get our videos. Thank you so much for watching.